Hello everyone and welcome back to 2 Minute English. In today's episode, we will fix one very common mistake with some everyday words. Let's start with this sentence. People is very friendly or people are very friendly. Which one is correct? People are very friendly. Why? Because people is a plural word. We do not say people is. We say people are. So remember, people are. The second one, the police is here or the police are here. Which one is correct? The police are here. The police are looking for him. Police is always plural in English. The third one, family is or family are. Both of them are correct. When we talk about the family as one group, we use singular, such as my family is very small. Her family lives in Canada. When we talk about the family as many people, we use plural. My family are having dinner. His family are arguing again. So both are possible. Family is or family are. It depends on the meaning. The fourth one. The news are good or the news is good. Excellent. The news is good. This news is shocking. Even though news looks plural, it is singular in English. So we say news is, not news are. Listen and repeat after me. People are waiting. The police are here. My family is big. The news is surprising. Great job! That's all for today's episode of 2 Minute English. Don't forget, people are, police are, family is or are, and news is. Like, share, and subscribe for more short English lessons.